All right, boys and girls, here we are. We made it. Day 20 of our December daily math. Number 1, write a multiplication equation that is related to this division example. Well, 24 divided by 4 equals something. That something times 4 also equals 24. Times 4 equals 24. That's right, 6. So now we're going to turn that into multiplication. 6 times 4 equals 24. Okay? That's also like, let's see, 8 3s or 12 2s. Okay. 900 minus 267. Here, this is the one that always seems to be the tricky one. So let's go through slowly. Okay, there's more on the floor we have to borrow from next door. There's nothing there to borrow from. So we have to stop way over here. We're going to cross out the 9 and make it an 8. And then we're going to put a 1 here for the make it a 10. Now let's start the problem over, because now there's something there to borrow from. So again, we cannot do 0 minus 7, so we're going to borrow from next door. We turn that 10 to a 9, and we bring this one over here, and we make it a 10. Okay? So now 10 minus 7 is 3. And 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 2 equals 6. So we didn't have to go back and borrow or cross anything out. It's only when we need to, okay? Only when we have to borrow do we do that. Okay, 24. Circle all that equal 24. Well, that's the mirror, right? Identity property. Number 1's like a mirror. Oh, we talked about 3 times 8, right? 3 times 8 is 24 because 6 times 4 is 24. Double the 4 to get your 8. Have the 6 to get your 3. It's also 24. 30 minus 8. Well, that's close, but that's 22. 15 plus 9. Well, that's like 15 plus 10, which is 25 minus 1, which is 24. 24 times 0 is not, because that's the 0 property, right? Any number, that's the king, that's going to turn 24 to a 0. And 50 minus 25, that's the halvesies, that's also, that equals 25, so that is not count. Okay, here we go. Count by 5s. So 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. So now it's 380, 385, 390, 395. So we have to flip now from the 3 to the 4. We went from 300s up to 400s. And then we can simply go 400, 405, 410, 415, 420. All right, our final problem of daily math in December. Here we go. The area of this square is 25 square centimeters. How long is each side? Well, we know that a square, it says it's a square, so this side has to be the same length as this side. So this is going to be the same number as this, okay? So if this is a 1, this has to be a 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. If this is a 2, this has to be a 2. 2 times 2 is 4. If this is a 3, this has to be a 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. We want what times what equals 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 5s. Okay? So this is 5 and this is 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. So each side is 5 centimeters. All right, boys and girls, that's a little bit of area. We're going to get into that later. You have a great, great break, and we will see you in January, okay? We'll miss you. Bye.